Do you know 95% of the CAT aspirants, they don't complete even half of the test series? The reason, if you find, please let me know. So hi guys, my name is Sony Goyal and I am here with the most innovative test series for CAT, SoGo Test Series. This test series has so many innovative products which will not only enhance your score and accuracy, it will also help you boost your confidence for your CAT examination. So most of the test series that student appear, they demotivate the student and ultimately do not really help in your CAT preparation. But this test series is designed in such a way to boost your confidence, and with innovative products your score will definitely improve. So let us watch this video and see what exactly is there in this SoGo test series, is what all it comprises of. First of all, this test series has a number of innovative products beyond your sectionals and beyond your mock test. We have nanocat, we have MiniCAT, we have ChallengeCAT, and there are so much emphasis is given on OMAT. Now let us understand what exactly we mean by this innovative test series. First of all, this test series is structured and comprehensive based on different levels. For example, many students, they start with mock too early. Their syllabus is not complete. They start too early. They end up losing confidence after 2 or 3 mocks because they are not getting the score. The student are not able to understand their own level and the level of the mock. Ultimately they end up feeling low, and the motivation goes low, confidence goes low. So this test series is very well structured, very well comprehensive, and it is level wise. For example, the MyCAT test, which are 10 mocks, right, they are slightly below the CAT level. The idea is to make you comfortable with the test. But before you appear for MyCAT, I will ask you to appear for nanocat, which is what? Which is a mini test, chota test, very small test, right? 10-minute test kind of, right? And then before this even, I would advise to appear for the sectionals, which is your based on previous year. So what is the benefit of appearing sectional before your actual test is that you know your level, you know the question type that actually comes in examination, you basically know the cat ke bhai cat ka color kaun sa hai, cat is of different color, and you also get to know the score and percentile thing. Many students, they are not really aware about that with a very low score they can get a very decent percentile. So this all will be you will be able to do if you are able to do sectionals first. So my advice to all the student is, before you start the test series, try to finish these sectionals before you start the test series, and resolve each of the sectional after you do that. For example, the sectional is of 1 hour, try to do your best in 1 hour, and after that 1 hour take maybe 2 hours to resolve the full sectional, so as you get to know what type of question that comes in CAT. All these sectionals are based on previous year. 36 sectionals should not take you more than 2 weeks. So these sectionals make your base very clear, and you can really plan your mock test series according to the level of sectionals. So after that, I advise students to go for nanocat. Now what is nanocat? In nanocat, you have 10 minutes, 6 questions for each section for 3 sections. So you 30 minutes you are doing 18 question. So in this you learn the time management, you learn how you can understand the importance of time management, and why accuracy is much more important than just attempting the paper, right? So this nanocat helps you mastering the time management as well as the accuracy thing. Question selection also becomes better as you go in the later half of it. I would advise to appear one test every day, not more than that, just one nanocat every day. Next is your MyCAT. So MyCAT test series will be starting from 20th of August. You can appear anytime after 20th August. If you want to appear on 20th August, you can appear, and after that the test will be open. Every week one mock will be open, and you can appear for that. The level of MyCAT is slightly below CAT. The idea is to increase your basic level concept clarity and removing your mock phobia, because if you will be appearing for MyCAT, right, which is of a higher level, you may lose the interest in CAT itself, right? Then comes is the ChallengeCAT. So ChallengeCAT tests are slightly higher level, right? These for the toppers, the student who think that we are very good at it. So each and every student can appear for it, but the student who are good at what I would say CAT, they should take this seriously. Others, they can appear for this first and then you appear for this, or you can appear both the test series parallel, right? This you have to design according to your level. See, if you are at a basic level, your level is below 70 percentile, I will advise you to first finish your MyCAT, then go for ChallengeCAT. But if you say your percentile is somewhere around 80 to 90, you can very well balance both these. One test this, one test this, one test this, one test this. Then comes is your UltimateCAT test series. This is for all those who are targeting blackish. This test series of 10 tests is really good test. I would say 20% higher level than CAT, and so this test series will help you for getting high level practice. So if you want to really practice on a decent level, this is the test series for you. But after you appear for 20 mocks of level 1 and level 2, which we have done through our MyCAT test series and your ChallengeCAT test series, this is something must for you. And then comes your ultimately the RealCAT test series, which is for strategy and score maximization. So the level of CAT will be actual CAT level, but it will keep varying. One CAT you may get one section easy, in another CAT you may get another section easy, one section may be too difficult, but overall paper will be balanced, but section to sections variations will be there, as it happens in CAT. If you have seen CAT 2021, you would see in one section quant was relatively easier as compared to the quant in another section. So you never know which section, which slot you will be getting. So this RealCAT test series shall be helping you master on that. So as you can see guys, this test series starting from 20th of August, this will be from 21st of August, and then in month of September we will have UltimateCAT test series, and from 23rd of September we will have RealCAT test series. So these all 40 tests is to help you understand how you can really improve your score in CAT. So 40 CAT mocks are there, 36 sectionals are there, 60 OMAT exams are there. I will talk about this soon, and 25 nanocats I have already talked to you. So coming to this, after you complete this in month of October, and in month of November, I will be presenting a very special thing, what we call it as a mini CAT. Here you will have 20 minutes 12 question and 1 hour 36 questions. This will be exactly half CAT. So this half CAT you will be able to strategize and plan in a better way. Your question selection should become better, and it will help you a lot in improving your score. So there will be one test every day in this, and there will be live discussion for first 500 students. Rest can watch it on YouTube, but for first 500 students I will be interacting one-to-one on Zoom for this mini CAT. So if you are booking, if you are in first 500, you will be getting this. Here comes the OMET, अदर मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. बहुत सारे बच्चे सिर्फ कैट दे के कहानी ख़त्म कर लेते हैं. भैया नहीं, कैट के बाद बहुत कुछ बाकी है. सिम्बायोसिस में you have 5 colleges which are very very good colleges, I would say. ZAT again you have 5 colleges, NMAT 5 colleges, IFT, there are plenty of colleges, but these are the colleges which you can consider going for your MBA. TestNet you can go for 3 courses, and even CMAT you have 10 plus colleges from where you can do that. So for this we have a very special test series for you. We call it as OMET test series. Here you have 30 mocks for SNAP, 5 for ZAT, for NMAT, for TestNet, for CMAT, all other we have sectionals also. So this test series is specifically designed for all those who are thinking that they may not be able to crack CAT, or do you want to increase your chances of success. So this is the schedule for this test series. We shall be starting with the SNAP test series from 28th of November, just next to the CAT right? We shall be starting this test series, and for first slot you can appear for 10 slots. For the next slots, 5 more mocks, and for next slot there can be 5 more mocks, and there will be 10 sectional type mocks which you can appear. So total 30 mocks you can appear for snap, because in snap there is no sectional timing. So our 10 sectionals, we give you the timing, though there is no timing in actual exam, but we make you do 10 questions for better time, 10 sectionals for better time management. For NMAT, we shall be starting from 1st of September, and from 10th of October you can book your slots for NMAT. IFT, 2 tests, 3 tests we will do it before CAT, and after CAT we usually have only 1 week, so we will appear for 2 CATs after that also. And for ZAT also we will be having it in the second Sunday of January 23. We shall have our ZAT, and this is the test series for ZAT. So this comprehensively will cover all your syllabus, right? So super combo for test series is available to you, which include so many sectionals, so many mocks, so many OMATs, so many nanocats, all with live discussions and all with your sectional evaluation, your analysis and detailed evaluation of your progress. So summarizing all this up, guys, you can appear for any of this or a combined product of this. This is all for you, right? There will be 1 bonus test in each of the other management entrance test, 3 for snap, and there will be 1 bonus CAT, which we call it as All India CAT. There will be so many students which will be appearing for this All India CAT as well, apart from those who shall be appearing for the test series, right? If you have any question, you can ask in the description link below, and the link to buy any of these courses is available on this description, and you can click, and there are so many products for you. Thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy the test series. Wish you good luck for CAT 2022. दमदार तरीके से जोर लगा के कैट को देना है, और कैट में आपका स्कोर अच्छा आना चाहिए. विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट वंस अगेन. थैंक यू वेरी मच.